My name is Spivey Lipsy. I work at IBKS, that's Integrated Building Knowledge Systems. And we've been working together for about a year. There's about 12 of us currently. We've got some folks overseas and three of us now based in Los Angeles. I'm working with some colleagues of mine that I've been working with for on and off for around a decade now, and recently rejoined them, and we kicked off this company together. We are engineers, architects, and BIM technology professionals by trade. Personally, I have been on the MEP side for about 15 years now, so that's my area of expertise. And I specialize in digital twins. AR, VR has always been an area of interest for me. And in the past 6 months, laser scanning to help us with the as-builts, primarily for architecture at the moment, but we're getting more into the MEP side as well. So our client they have about 10 million square feet of campus space. They're a healthcare client, large organization. They need to document any, well, first of all, they're undergoing a digital transformation right now. So we're in the process of BIMifying all of their campus real estate, all of their own buildings. They're rapidly acquiring new buildings. They've got new construction going on. So in addition to digitizing what they have, we're also in need of capturing the ongoing construction in the newly acquired buildings. So as you can imagine, just organizing the as-built information that they currently have and getting that into BIM, that's an effort all on its own. Validating that information and then quickly capturing as found conditions is another one. So the VLX for us was a natural choice. It's fast. It gets a tight enough level of accuracy for our use case, which is at the moment primarily space management, and just having an understanding of general as found conditions. It provides a nice color scan, so it's easy for the end user who may not be a daily Revit or BIM user. And it captures 360 panoramas. So, all those things combined, it was really just kind of a natural choice for us. I had my doubts until I first used it. And it's the speed and the accuracy and the strength of the algorithm in removing objects that move while you're scanning it's very impressive. So if someone walks in front of you while you're scanning, if you have to move an object at the last minute you didn't think about or realize was in the path of travel, all those things, I've had very, very minimal need for manual editing after the fact. The VLX and Ivion really does, I'd say, like 90 to 95% of the cleanup for us. So I'm very impressed with it. I'd really like to see the data that we're collecting being used on the facility side. We're not currently. I've seen a lot at this trade show, actually, people sort of dipping their feet into that side of the scanning process. I think it'll almost be a requirement, 5-10 years from now. It's a natural progression of the technology, I think. And it lends so much information to the engineers that are on site using the building daily, measuring all of their various metrics from the equipment that they're using on a regular basis. If they can quickly jump to locations of mechanical rooms and equipment, panels, all those sorts of things, if they're flagged in Ivion, perhaps exported from Ivion to another platform, the ease of tagging things in Ivion and identifying them in the panorama images is just, again, it just lends itself to this natural progression of FM utilizing that data. If they're at their desk or on site, they never have to worry about, is the information captured? Is it accurate? Is it, did I miss something? You're capturing everything with the VLX, and that it's going to be, of top-notch quality. So